Shocking truth, 70% of kitchen tools are only used for a few minutes, but take up space all day. In a small kitchen, that's a disaster. Drawers are packed, cabinets won't even close. But there are some kitchen utensils that can be folded up and disappear when you're done using them. And it's completely changing how people with small homes cook. Most kitchen tools are bulky and take up space even when they're not in use. Foldable and collapsible tools solve this problem by giving you full functionality without permanent clutter. Let's start with the most useful tools around the sink. This roll-up dish drying rack sits directly over your sink. It gives you instant drying space for dishes or produce without using your countertop. When you're done, it rolls up and stores easily in a drawer or cabinet. Traditional colanders take up a lot of cabinet space. This collapsible silicone colander folds nearly flat when not in use. You still get a full-size strainer for pasta or vegetables, but without the storage problem. This foldable cutting board works like a normal board, but with a smart design. After chopping, you can fold it slightly to guide food directly into a pan or bowl. It saves space and reduces mess during meal prep. Measuring cups and spoons often clutter kitchen drawers. This collapsible set folds down flat while staying accurate and easy to use. It's a small change that makes drawers much easier to organize. Funnels are useful but annoying to store. A collapsible silicone funnel folds completely flat and takes almost no space. It's perfect for transferring liquids or dry ingredients into narrow containers. A foldable countertop dish drying rack gives you space when you need it. Once dishes are dry, it folds down and stores vertically or in a cabinet. This keeps your countertop clean and uncluttered. Salad spinners are usually large and bulky. This collapsible salad spinner expands when in use and compresses for storage. It's ideal for small kitchens that don't have extra cabinet space. Foldable kitchen utensils like whisks and ladles collapse flat for storage. They work just like regular utensils but take up much less drawer space. Perfect for minimalist or small apartment kitchens. This collapsible wash basin is useful for washing dishes or produce. When not in use, it folds flat and stores easily under the sink. It's especially helpful if your sink is small or shallow. A foldable wall-mounted table creates extra workspace when you need it. When folded, it sits flat against the wall and saves floor space. This can completely change how a tiny kitchen functions. Foldable kitchen tools help you maximize space without sacrificing function. They're designed for small apartments, rentals, and minimalist kitchens. Small changes like these can make everyday cooking much easier. You'll find links to all these tools in the description below. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more small space kitchen ideas. Thanks for watching.